First, go to Light and adjust the following. Exposure to 0.50. Contrast to 60. Highlights to 20. Shadows to -10. Whites to -100. Blacks to 40. Next, go to curves and adjust the following as shown. Next, go to color. Vibrance to -25. And saturation to -30. Next, go to color mix. Go to red. Adjust the saturation to 16. Next orange. Hue to -10. And saturation to -10. Go to yellow. Hue to -100. And saturation to -100. Next go to green. Saturation to -100. Go to cyan. Hue to 100. And saturation to -100. Next blue. Saturation to -100. Go to violet. Saturation to -100. And last magenta. Saturation to -100. Next, go to Effects. Adjust the texture to 10. Clarity to 20. And Dehaze to 40. Next, go to Split Tone. Adjust the following settings as shown. And last, go to Detail. Adjust the noise reduction to 20. And that's it for the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon for more videos. Thank you.